name's Steve Bailey. I'm a physiotherapist, podiatrist and acupuncture practitioner. I'm just doing a short video presentation mainly to explain to quite a few colleagues who's not in the belief of acupuncture actually exists. I do get the odd emails now and again where they'll make the statement acupuncture points don't exist and acupuncture doesn't actually work. However, it is important to bring it to their attention that there's a rapidly growing interest in acupuncture, particularly in the West and particularly within healthcare professionals. And as healthcare professionals, acupuncture cannot be accepted, particularly here in the UK and other countries where it's actually accepted on the NHS. And in order for it to be accepted and also practiced within the healthcare profession, it has to be evidence-based. So obviously there has got to have been evidence there for it to have been used in the first place. Now, coming back to acupuncture points do exist, and it has actually been demonstrated from as far back as the 1950s, where the likes of Dr. Robert Becker, who was an orthopaedic consultant, undertook a study in the 1950s. Again, Nakasati also undertook a study, and then Tiller in the 1970s. And what they basically demonstrated was that the electrical conductivity between acupuncture points and the surrounding skin was actually different. And in doing so, you now have these electrical devices that will actually detect acupuncture points. So like what I'm going to basically demonstrate to you here, you've got one of your common points that you use is large intestine 4. As I press into that, I come off the point, I come back to it, press into that, and you can hear how that will now pick that point up, large intestine 4, demonstrating that you can actually now detect your acupuncture points. So there's numerous amount of electrical devices that you can actually utilize to actually detect the actual acupuncture point in itself. Thank you for listening. Key thing is, if you like the presentations or any presentations that I've done in the past, please actually subscribe to our YouTube channel by just pressing the subscription.